Let's have a fun. Observe there is something floating and there is a membrane here. I press it and you observe it will respond to my pressure, and when I remove my pressure it returns back. So this is a big fun. And now let us observe how to do in our home. I keep it here. Observe, here is a smaller bottle, of course made of glass. These are all available in homeopathy shops. 50% water is already there up to this where there is a band, and let us observe whether it can float or not. If it floats, then okay, otherwise you can add little bit, no problem, and then test. So it is okay. I can take little more even to confirm that it floats comfortably. And subsequently you observe here is a plastic bottle containing water, and I open the cap, keep it here, take the bottle containing water out. Again observe there is another fun. The opening is there down, but the water cannot come. Keep it inside this, it again floats. Make the cap tight, and I show you the moment I apply pressure from the surrounding, the smaller bottle inside will respond to my pressure and will come down, and thereafter if I release it, slowly it will go also slowly back. Even with our regulated pressure, this can be in between, like a submarine, and without the pressure it will go off. So after observing this, which we can do at home, I'll be now showing you one more interesting application, and the application is a little sophisticated. I've taken a big glass tube, two end corks. Similarly, the smaller bottle is floating. I keep it here, and the upper side there is a hole you could see, and using this hole and using this pedal pump, what I am doing now, if you just observe, rather I will be comfortable here. So this particular point, I keep it here, and what I am doing next, I put the opening in the opening of the cork, and you observe when I apply pressure, it comes down, and with the removal of the pressure at this particular point, you will find a sound. It comes back. So with this, we could confirm you that when the pressure is inbuilt inside, this smaller bottle which is floating comes down, and this is the application of Pascal's law of transmission of pressure. Thank you. I hope you have enjoyed it.